What's up, guys? I'm back. 2019. Yeah, we've only had like 7 months of snow, which is great. It's kind of windy out right now, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna start uploading every week, if not twice a week. And right now we're going on a little adventure today. We are going to meet up with Stretch. It's a friend of mine. He's got a 1290R Super Duke, and we're gonna go wash our bikes because they're dirty. They've been sitting all winter long. So if you guys like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and you can catch every video that I upload. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so it's a little hard to talk in this helmet because it's brand new. I got a brand new setup. I got a Sena Bluetooth, so hopefully that's working properly and you guys will be able to hear Stretch talk on the Super Duke. And I got a brand new GoPro. Pretty much my whole helmet setup is brand new, so I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, hopefully the camera angles are good. Everything's lined out. But I feel like I'm gonna pull over and we're gonna call my mother. This should be good. I used to stunt ride like a few years ago or whatever, and so my mom knows I like to do wheelies, but I do not wheelie this motorcycle. If I had a stunt bike, I'd wheelie it all day long. But this one's a whole different beast and it's too expensive to make a mistake on, so I don't do wheelies on this bike. But I'm gonna call my mother on my Bluetooth and we're gonna try and pull a little prank on her, see what her reaction is. And I'm not gonna do any wheelies because I know she'll probably see this video, but it's gonna be pretty funny because she's gonna think that that I'm actually doing wheelies. So we'll pull over here in a minute. I'll give her a call, see if she answers. So let's see if she answers. I don't know if she'll be able to hear me too well.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
Is it like, does it sound really bad?
No, it just sounds kind of crackly a little bit. Or not crackly, but I don't know.
It's probably what?
No, it just sounds like you're far away or I don't know.
Far away? Nothing? You might have to talk kind of loud.
Huh? What are you doing?
Nothing?
Yeah?
Just hanging out.
So what's going on? Where are you hanging out at?
On my motorcycle.
Oh, okay. Yeah?
Does that make you nervous?
No, not really. Not anymore.
Well, I'm holding my phone up to my head while I'm riding with one hand.
Oh yeah, that's bad. What? Yeah, tell me when you're done.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I would not do that.
Okay.
No, I have both hands on my bars. What are you doing right now?
Washing dishes.
Doing dishes?
Yeah.
Oh. Is it nice there?
No, it's cold and wet and cloudy.
Oh. I think it's like 50 something here. 53 or 57.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the temperature is, but when I came home it was pretty cold out. I mean, it's not very sunshiny.
Yeah. Are you getting your flowers planted?
No, not yet.
No?
No, I don't have any time right now.
Oh. Nice.
No. Are you riding your bike?
I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pop a wheelie. You want to be on the phone? What?
No. No.
I won't.
What?
I'm not gonna ride a wheelie. I promise you. I wouldn't do that to you.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't do wheelies on this motorcycle. I won't. Yes, I'm on the expensive one. I mean, if you want me to do a wheelie, I can do one. Hold on, let me rev. I might be able to try right now. Let me rev it up a little bit. I'm just kidding. I won't do it. I won't do it.
So mean.
I'm.
So mean.
I knew you would freak out. That's why I don't do wheelies on this motorcycle. It's too expensive.
Whatever.
I promise you, I swear on anything, I've never done a wheelie on it.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to call and test out my Bluetooth with my phone, because it's got like speakers inside my helmet.
Yeah.
So I just wanted.
It appears it's working.
Do what?
It appears to be working.
Okay. Well, I'll let you go. I'll call you later or something.
Yeah, call me when you're not on the motorcycle.
Yeah, I know. It's tough holding my phone up to my head.
Stop it.
I'll talk to you later.
Goodbye.
Bye. Alright, you guys. So there you have it. She got a little pissed, but I'm just messing with her. She knows I'm serious though. And I don't ride wheelies on this bike, but she knows I like to ride wheelies, so I thought it was pretty funny. I hope you guys like that. But yeah, we're gonna head over to the car wash now and wash off these muddy bikes, and we'll see you guys there.
Man, I got my new rim there, man. Fuck, I'm thinking about getting a K and exhaust, man. Once I get that K and exhaust, it's like 15 more horsepower, dude. You know what I'm saying? Can you hear my bike? Is it too loud in your mic, or can you not hear it very
No,
good?
I can hear it. Or you're fine.
Okay. Alright, so let's ride to the Delta, meet E.
Yeah.
And then let's rip around a little bit, huh?
Got different.
It's a victory. It's a victory. I like that.
Ooh, that's what I would.
That style, and you know he's got a side bitch too with that fucking.
I would definitely get that over a Harley.
No way. That's a bad comment.
No.
No.
I would get that over a Harley all day.
Never, never, ever. Oh, I can hear your bike. That sounds wicked, man.
Yeah, the tire is spinning.
What's up with that? Those tires look like they're fucking split.
Yeah, it's just cold.
Watch out for your guy in your right here. If you're missing a gas cap, you're obviously a careless driver. Good luck.
Jesus.
I know. What I'm saying.
Holy Christ, that guy's weathered as fuck.
Yeah, you don't give a fuck.
That's like the Marlboro man in a Trailblazer.
Does he have the fucking windows up? He's hot box?
Yeah. His whole dash is covered in notes and fucking empty Pringles cans.
Yeah, doing a KBB Trader Marketplace. You smoke? No, I mean my buddy has.
Yeah.
There's a fucking one of those ashtray things that, like,
yeah.
you've seen those maxed out. When those are maxed out, you know your power burn is resting your shit.
Oh, absolutely. I just hope my camera angle is good. I don't know. I adjusted it down. See how it's kind of angled?
Yeah.
So I'm hoping it's, because before all you could see was my mirrors, and sometimes maybe I should adjust it a little more after this.
Well, I had to go the permanent route because I didn't do it the way I should have. I just stuck the sena on this bitch. And I'm like, well, let's shoot from the hip. And it actually is pretty solid. You see speedometer just a hair, and then you see road. So, I mean, I like it.
Does right now, does it look angled down?
Yes.
Like too much?
Yes.
Really?
I mean, yeah, it looks like it's pointing straight out. Well, you can't really do much more different. I don't know how the camera projects. So, like this, Jerry, it's like this. Like that. So it looks like. Should be a trial and error for you this summer, I suppose. Oh, come on. That's right, that's right, that's what it is. This is a horrible route. Fucking water now!
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
God damn it. Oh, no, no, no. That ass.
Oh, dude, I can feel it all over my pants.
That fucking breaks my heart. I'm shaking it loose with a fucking rev here. Going right here?
Oh, man.
I think we'll be alright. We got out of there clean. Green light, green light. Watch out for the pedestrians that people are almost hitting. My God. That fucking... They ain't getting a Starbucks card. Look at that, dude. You got a nice little family. You're walking to Target. They seem more like Walmart material than Target, but whatever. You know,
Wally World.